It is the 25th of August 2026 and this is today's Italian A0 to A1 beginner class from LinguaWire, made from real news stories. This class is a podcast and a video lesson, both on linguawire.com, linked below.
Today's main story is about Andy Burnham and the chance of tax rises before the autumn budget. First, though, there are 3 other stories from today's front page, and all of them can be read on linguawire.com.
First, lo scontro sul nuovo impianto divide i candidati repubblicani dell'Oklahoma.
The row over the new plant divides Oklahoma's Republican candidates. Divide is a useful verb here. It means the issue splits people into different sides. Politics does love a good split, especially when a big project is involved.
Next, Canada prepara nuovi dazi contro gli Stati Uniti.
Canada is preparing new tariffs against the United States. Prepara is a simple present tense form, and in headlines it often means something is being planned now.
And Andy Burnham chiede di togliere i video di guida pericolosa nel Regno Unito.
Andy Burnham asks for dangerous driving videos to be taken down in the UK. Togliere means to remove or take away, and it is a very practical everyday verb.
Now time for today's main story. Here is today's headline. Il primo ministro del Regno Unito Andy Burnham non esclude aumenti delle tasse. Now say it out loud yourself and see how much you already understand. Il primo ministro del Regno Unito Andy Burnham.
UK Prime Minister Andy Burnham
Non esclude.
does not rule out
Aumenti delle tasse.
tax rises.
The headline uses a very common news phrase, non esclude, which is neat because it sounds cautious rather than definite.
Everything from here is also written out on today's lesson sheet.
Burnham ha fatto la sua prima visita in Ucraina.
Burnham made his first visit to Ukraine. This is the verb fare, which means to do or to make. Here it becomes ha fatto, because the story is in the past.
Ha detto che i conti pubblici sono in una situazione difficile.
He said that the public finances are in a difficult situation.
Ha detto che userà un modo molto attento per l'economia.
He said that he will use a very careful approach for the economy. Userà comes from usare, which means to use. It is the future tense here because the plan is for later.
Ha difeso i suoi piani sul costo della vita.
He defended his plans on the cost of living.
Questi piani sono pagati con soldi presi da altre spese.
These plans are paid for with money taken from other spending. A budget can feel a bit like moving money from one pocket to another and calling it strategy.
Now for the verb of the day, fare. In English that means to do, to make. Here it is in the present tense. Io faccio, tu fai. Lui, lei fa. Noi facciamo. Voi fate. Loro fanno.
Here's a normal everyday example. Io faccio colazione alle 7. In English, I have breakfast at 7.
One last time at full speed. Il primo ministro del Regno Unito Andy Burnham non esclude aumenti delle tasse. Now you. Before you go, one question from today's story. Che cosa non esclude Burnham? Is it A. Aumenti delle tasse? Una visita in Ucraina? Or C. Un nuovo progetto?
Think about it. Well done, that is today's class. Sign up for free on LinguaWire.com to get the lesson sheet with extended vocab and grammar for this episode, a 3-question quiz to check your understanding, and to subscribe for free to get each episode delivered every morning to your inbox so you build a learning habit. For accelerated learning, enrolled learners get a personalized interactive lesson delivered to their digital classroom each day. The link is with this episode. See you tomorrow.